If you lead a professional services firm, you're already feeling the squeeze from AI. Hey everyone, I'm Chad Perry, Managing Director at Capital Strategy Labs and the curator of something brand new that I'm very excited to share with you today. If you're in professional services, you are already seeing the writing on the wall. Generative AI is replacing high-value advisory work. So the race is now on to own the proprietary intelligence platforms that will either augment or outright replace what you do today. And that's both an existential threat and the biggest once-in-a-generation opportunity that most of us will ever see. So today, I'm launching Outforge because I believe that professional services leaders like you are uniquely positioned to win this race. You already have the deep domain knowledge, the years of accumulated data, and the proven methodologies that form the very foundation of a truly intelligent platform that no generic AI can replicate. But turning that into scalable, recurring revenue that can be delivered as a B2B SaaS doesn't happen by accident. It takes a viable strategy, it takes decades of product development experience, it takes knowledge of what is and isn't possible with AI, and it's a substantial investment of time and capital. That's exactly what Outforge is built to help you with. Outforge is your lifeline through the inevitable AI transformation in professional services. It's a focused newsletter and content platform that cuts through the noise with real-world stories and actionable guidance at the intersection of professional services, AI, and B2B SaaS. And the best part, it's free. So here's what you can expect as a subscriber to Outforge. The first is a short, weekly 5 to 15-minute video, just like this one, with timely insights, what's working, what's not, and concrete takeaways that you can actually use. The second is every few weeks, you will also get a deep 30 to 45-minute interview with a CEO or innovation leader who is already making this shift. That's someone who has turned billable hours into scalable tools, navigated the capital requirements, and is building a defensible moat in their industry. And third, you will also get occasional invitations to free workshops and roundtables, plus any breaking news that might actually matter to your firm. So this isn't just content. It's a catalyst to build the community of forward-thinking leaders who are shaping the future of professional services. I've been a software engineer, a CTO, and a startup advisor for over 20 years now. I programmed and sold my first product as a teenager, co-founded multiple B2B SaaS companies, one of which was successfully acquired and another that's heading toward a 9-figure exit. So today at Capital Strategy Labs, our entire focus is on helping firms like yours to develop an investable AI native technology roadmap, to implement that with the right partners, and to access the capital that's needed to execute on that roadmap. So I'm living this exact transition alongside my clients. I know how hard it is, and I know what actually works. That's why every piece of content in Outforge is designed with one express purpose, and that is to help you move faster from traditional services to owning the leading intelligence platform in your industry without the years of expensive trial and error of going at it alone. So if you're already making progress on this journey, I have a personal invitation for you. I would love for you to be a guest on the show. Your story will inspire thousands of your peers and position you and your firm as a thought leader. The application is very simple, it's low commitment, and I personally review every single one. So if you would be willing to share your story and your progress with AI, you can find the application link below this video. But no matter where you are on this journey, the best first step is to subscribe right now so that you don't miss a single episode. And if you're thinking even more urgently, like, I need to get serious about this right now, I've made 2 resources available to you immediately. The first is a free AI readiness assessment. It takes just a few minutes and will give you a professional report that will benchmark your readiness for this generational shift, which you can share with your leadership team right away. Or if you want to get down to brass tacks on your specific AI roadmap, book a complimentary 1-hour strategy call with me. This is not a sales pitch, it's a strategy session to map out a tailored roadmap for your unique business and identify the exact next steps that make sense for where you are today. Now, obviously, if you want my help executing on that roadmap, we can talk about that. But either way, you walk away with a clear vision that takes you from services to owning the leading intelligence platform in your industry. You can find the links for both of those below this video. So this is just the beginning. Week after week, we are going to unpack the real strategies, the real wins, the real lessons from professional services leaders who are already doing this successfully. So if you're serious about turning the AI disruption into a once-in-a-generation growth opportunity, you're in the right place. Thank you sincerely for being here on day one. I am genuinely excited to take this journey with you. It's not going to be easy, but it will be absolutely worth it. So hit the subscribe link below, and I will see you in next week's video.